Alright, my name is Kyle Martin. I did the blackjack game. I had a little bit of problems with it. Honestly, I was banging my head against the wall when I was trying to get the value of the cards. If I had a little bit more time, I could probably get a lot more done. The value just kind of, I was sitting at my computer for probably about 6 hours at a time, just changing my code up and around, and I never could get it straight. So if you see here, I got my input validations. I was going to do a 4-user blackjack game, and most of the time you're just going against the dealer. But I tried to have it to where you'd have 4 players versus the dealer. I changed that to 2 because I didn't think I would have time to do 4. But there's my input validation. So if you do hit a number that's lower than 1, it will make you enter again, as well as if it's greater than 4. So you would not have a number greater than a player's number than 4. This if statement is where I would have that, and I was going to call each one. So if you're just doing one player, you would call the 1 versus CPU function from the class blackjack. And then if you come down here, the else if statement, it would be 2 players, then 3, then 4, so on and so forth. But like I said, I deleted some of my code, and I just felt like I didn't have enough time to do that with trying to figure out the value of the cards. Okay, so if also you come down here, I was going to do the username, a username and the first and last name to hold to a file. Let's see here. I think it's up to the initialization. Yeah, right here. So in this if else, if you're doing one player, enter your first and last name, last name. Please enter your username. There's your username right there. And then it would go to 1 versus CPU. And I was going to do that for the others as well. The SRAN, the time that it basically, if you want a random thing to happen, you're going to have to use that function. What it does is it basically, if you just do the random function, it'll just have that one thing the same way. So for this, it does a different random card every time with a random number and the random suit as well. Alright, so, and then down here, it's supposed to, if it hits the 0 subscript, it's supposed to print off the 2. For some reason that wasn't working properly. For the hidden stay, if they hit H, it will hit them another card. The stay, I did not complete that as well. I was really disappointed. If I wanted to complete this, it just didn't pan out that way. I was really getting frustrated toward the end of it. My character card face cards, it has 2 through ace. The value of the cards, the array card value cards is 2 through 11, and my card suits is the diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. So I'm going to show you the code that I have. Unfortunately, it's not 100%. I feel that I could do it if I had more time. So here we go. Alright, so at the beginning you have all the rules. Like I said, I was going to do up to 4 players. It just didn't work out that way. So let's do this. I have it set up to where if I hit 1, it'll have the first player's first and last name. I'm going to type that in right now. And then enter the username. I'll do that right there. Here are the 2 cards that pop up, the Jack of Spades and 9 of Diamonds. If I had the values, this would work a lot better. Do you want hit or stay? If I hit, it will work. And there's the 4 of Spades. If I hit again, 9 of Spades. If I hit stay, it actually exits the program. I really wanted to get this project done. I'm really passionate about this, and you know, it is what it is. But there's my program. All right, have a good night.